Hello guys, welcome to Gaming Hub. In fourth tutorial we will tell you about some more tips and tricks about driving. So in this tutorial we will tell you about driving at night. You must turn your headlights on before driving at night. So guys, this is a very important message for you to turn your headlights before you start your driving. So first of all, you have to start your engine lamp. As usual, you have to change your seat belt, and now you have to start your headlights. Start your headlights like this. And now, as you see this, you have to take a right turn. So give right indicator to it, and give first gear, and now turn your steering to right, and now you have to be on some left, a half left, and now you have to be straight, and now stop your car like this, and as this you have to take a left turn. So just slowly give some race to it, and slowly turn your steering towards left, and now in your right, straight, and now you have to see this, you have to take your left turn once again. So you have to give it left, and as you see this stop sign, so you have to stop your car like this. So now you have to give some more race to it, and now you have to take left turn once again, as you see this, and now stop your indicator and give some race to it. So you have to complete your forecast. So guys, this is all about your fourth tutorial, and thanks for watching Gaming Hub. And fifth tutorial will tell you some more tips and tricks about driving. So thank you so much for watching Gaming Hub. Keep watching.